Welcome to this tutorial. My name is Nate, and today we're going to talk about creating a landing page template that you can then capture name and email in exchange for a lead magnet. So this is an example of one landing page I've created that I get leads from all the time through a YouTube video on creating a business invoice template in Google Sheets. I'll direct people here, they'll fill out their name and email, and then when they click get your copy, it captures their name and email into my email autoresponder, and then it sends them to the link. So what I'm going to do, first thing is I'm already logged in, I'm going to click edit page, and once I edit the page, over here on the right, I'm going to click on clone this page. And now I have a duplicate. So now I'm going to call this one the YouTube challenge. The YouTube channel challenge. And I'll edit the URL. I'll delete it. I'll click OK. That's gonna auto-populate with the name. I'll keep this as the way it is for now. I'll put join the challenge, and then here sign up for our friendly competition to help grow your YouTube channel. Okay, and then it's got get the template. I'm going to say join today, and it's got a form ID 53, so I'm going to have to go to forms and then open this up, and I'll find 53, and I'm going to duplicate this one as well. There it is. Now I'm going to edit it and save settings. I'll go to confirmations now, and the confirmation, I'm going to change this because this was defaulting to a spreadsheet, like a copy of a spreadsheet. So now I'm going to paste this, make sure that's the right one. Yep, that is. So that's the confirmation. Basically what will happen is once they enter in their information here, it'll redirect them to the details of the challenge. So this is form ID 75. Now I'll go back here and 75 and click publish. And then I'm going to open this up in a new tab and just check it before I start sharing it. I'm going to check it. Join the challenge. Sign up for our friendly competition to help grow your YouTube channel. Join today. Name, email. It says get your copy. I've got to make sure I update that. Copy. Today. Save form. Now I'll refresh this. That will change get your copy to join today. There it is. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is go to Bitly. Bitly is a URL shortener and tracker. So I'm going to copy this URL. So I want to see if people are clicking on the link to join. And then I'm going to click create new link and paste that in. And then it will populate. I'm going to click edit. And I'll put YouTube channel challenge. Save. There's the URL. Copy that. Now I have a trackable link that links to the landing page, and I'll be able to see as I start sharing this how many people are clicking on it and if I'm getting the right conversion for the pushes that I'm doing. And so that is how I create a squeeze page, some call it a squeeze page or a landing page, and then I can track and give away something in exchange for a name and an email. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to get more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot. See you in the next one.